Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and your search for the perfect yoga pants has officially ended. These pants are from BALEAF. Now I'm wearing an extra large, and I would say that they fit true to size. They're very stretchy and accommodating. I think what sets these pants apart are the fact that the material is very thick, so you don't have to worry about any kind of show through or see-through quality to the fabric. It's very stretchy and comfortable. I love the fact that the bottom has a flared boot cut to it and that the pockets are on either side. And also the fact that it has a distinct dip or V on the waistband. I think that's very flattering as well. You can dress these pants up, or you can wear them to exercise. Really, whatever your needs are, these pants are going to fill it. I find these to be so adaptable, so comfortable. I reach for them over and over again, whether I'm going to work out or just lounge around the house, or I have to run out and do errands. Anything that I'm doing, these are the pants I'm reaching for. They are so versatile, and that is my point of view.